come in box a ton of different packages with me. My first package was from Amazon and had a Christmas present for somebody and this neato for myself. Then I had a bunch of Target packages with some Christmas decor and also just some essentials. Target was also having a sale on pillows, so I ended up getting 2 body pillows, which I've been wanting for so long, so I'm really excited to use them. Then I got 2 bags of potato chips because I eat these for dinner too often, 2 boxes of colorful Christmas lights, and 2 boxes of the regular yellow ones, then a pack of body pillow covers, and some ground cinnamon. I also got a box with just kitten food, as well as a whole box just for a pair of shoes, and the most exciting package, which is a 6.5 foot pre-lit Christmas tree.